In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a trade on the mobile app, specifically on Binance Futures. Whether you're new to trading or just new to trading on your phone, this guide will help you navigate the process with ease. First, you'll want to start by opening your Binance app and heading straight over to the Futures tab. The layout might seem vast if you're unfamiliar, but don't worry, you'll quickly get the hang of it. This is your main hub for all your futures trading activities. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the tab, especially if it's your first time accessing it. Once you're in the Futures tab, the next step is to choose a trading pair. For today's example, let's say you decide to trade with BTC/USDT, a popular choice due to its liquidity and volatility. Selecting a trading pair is crucial as it determines what two currencies you'll be trading within the futures market. Make sure you understand the dynamics of this pair, or whichever one you choose. It's always beneficial to have some background knowledge on the assets involved. Now that you've picked your trading pair, you'll need to decide whether you want to buy long or sell short. If you anticipate that the price will rise, you'll tap on buy or long. Conversely, if you believe the price might drop, then you would hit sell or short. This decision hinges on your market analysis or whatever strategy you're employing at the moment. After you've made your choice, it's time to adjust your trade details. This is where you set the amount you wish to trade, decide on the leverage, and select the order type such as market or limit. When setting leverage, be cautious and choose an amount that aligns with your risk tolerance, as higher leverage can increase both potential profits and losses. As for the order type, a market order executes immediately at current prices, while a limit order lets you specify a price level at which you want the trade to execute. Once you've finalized these settings, you're ready to place the trade. You'll do this by tapping open long if you're buying or open short if you're selling. Double check your entered parameters before proceeding. You wouldn't want any inadvertent errors affecting your trade. Finally, you can monitor your open trades under the Positions tab. This tab gives you a comprehensive view of the trades you've placed, along with their real-time performance. Keep an eye on this section to manage your positions actively, closing them when you reach your desired outcomes. And there you have it, a straightforward path from access to execution on Binance Futures via your mobile app. Remember, practice and familiarity will build your confidence. Thanks for joining me today, and happy trading.